Hi, everyone. Welcome to Biology 100 Lab. My name is Riley, and I'm going to be your instructor for this semester. I wanted to quickly jump on here and just say hello and introduce myself. You're not going to be seeing very much of me since this is an online asynchronous class, meaning that we don't actually have any class meetings in person or online. You are basically going through the class on your own. I am here as your support system online, but I just wanted to introduce myself to make you feel more comfortable to be able to reach out to me. I'm available for you anytime over email or anything like that, but I'll get into all that stuff in the syllabus video that is to come. But this is mostly just about introducing myself to you. So I'm just going to quickly share my screen. Okay. So I just want to share a bit about myself. I grew up in Southern California. I grew up riding horses. I competed jumping on horses for many years. I started riding when I was about 6 years old. But I also played soccer. So this logo right here is the Angel City FC logo. I have season tickets to the women's team here in LA. And I played soccer for about 15 years when I was a kid. So yeah, those are like my main sports and passions, but I love all sports and I've been really competitive my whole life. So yeah, those are two of my main hobbies growing up. I also have a cat. His name is Momo. There's not much else to be said about that. However, he's really cute, so I felt like I had to include photos. If you want to include photos in the discussion post a little bit later, feel free to do that. I love seeing photos of everyone's pets. It's really fun. Um, and as I said, I am a master's student here at CSUN. I'm getting my master's in marine ecology. But I did go to undergraduate in San Francisco State. I got my bachelor's in biology with a focus in zoology. And while I was there, I was actually able to publish in a scientific journal about this fish over here, the spotted ratfish. It looks like all shriveled up and gross because it's been in ethanol for like probably many, many years. But yeah, I did a lot of morphometric studies on them, which is basically just measuring and describing their morphology or their body structure. And yeah, so then I took a year off of school after San Francisco State. I graduated in 2020, peak COVID. It was great. And then I came here in 2021. Here at CSUN, I am a part of the marine biology master's um, program, and I study in Mark Steele's lab. And if you ever continue in upper division biology classes, which I know most of you are not biology majors, but if you ever choose to pursue it, you can take some of his classes. He teaches a lot of fish or marine biology classes here on campus. I do most of my research out on Catalina Island, where I studied this fish. And if you're not familiar, this is the Garibaldi. The Garibaldi is the California state marine fish, and it's super abundant out on Catalina Island. And I study their behavior. This fish is able to communicate through sound. So I'm interested in seeing how noise pollution, or basically just boating noise in general, is impacting their ability to communicate with each other and thus altering their behavior and their reproductive output and things like that. So that is all I have to say about me. If you have any questions at all throughout the semester, I'm happy to help you in any way that I can. I am here as a resource for you, so please go use it, and I want you to be able to reach out to me. My email is all over the Canvas page, and I also have the office hours Zoom link. But again, I'll get into that in a bit more detail once we get to the syllabus video. But for now, go ahead and move along in this module, and I will see you in the next video.